Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, blue color, black color, orange color, red color, sky blue color, pink color, brown color, sea green color, light pink color, green color, purple color, light green color, pink color. A for alligator. A for alligator. Yellow color. B for banana. B for banana. Purple color. C for cat. C for cat. Green color. D for diamond. D for diamond. Light green color. E for eagle. E for eagle. Sky blue color. F for frog. F for frog. Red color. G for grapes. G for grapes. Blue color. H for hand. H for hand. Black color. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Sea green color. J for joker. J for joker. Orange color. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Light pink color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Brown color. M for monkey. M for monkey. Purple color. N for nest. N for nest. Yellow color. O for orange. O for orange. Pink color. P for peacock. P for peacock. Red color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Dark blue color. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Green color. T for tiger. T for tiger. Sky blue color. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Red color. V for van. V for van. Brown color. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Pink color. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Sea green color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Orange color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Purple color. Number 1. Purple color. Number 1. pink color. Number 2, pink color. Number 2, red color. Number 3, red color. Number 3, black color. Number 4, black color. Number 4, yellow color. Number 5, yellow color. Number 5, blue color. Number 6, blue color. Number 6, green color. Number 7, green color. Number 7, sky blue color. Number 8, sky blue color. Number 8, brown color. Number 9, brown color. Number 9, purple color. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.